Greetings, everyone. I'm Dr. Kate Rogers, Executive Director of the Alamo Trust, and I'm here today to update you on the Cenotaph Restoration Project. As you know, the Cenotaph is not moving. We are committed to preserving it in place for generations of Texans to come. The monument to Alamo defenders is more than 80 years old, and our investigation earlier this year found that it needs a substantial amount of care to stand the test of time. You might be wondering exactly what work is needed. Our expert investigation found significant deterioration, like stones that have moved because they're not properly affixed, as well as moisture damage. Because of these findings, we'll be making concrete and structural repairs and installing a completely new drainage system. As part of this vital preservation effort, we'll need to carefully remove certain stones and gain access inside the cenotaph. Before any removal work begins, the entire monument will be thoroughly cleaned. From there, stones will be carefully removed from the top down, and the cenotaph's brick infill, which is actually causing damage, will be removed. As you can see in this animation, all pieces with sculptural elements and inscription will be restored in place, and any of the stones that are removed will remain on site for the entire duration of the project. Once we install the new drainage system, the stones will be put back in place with stronger anchoring and a protective coating. We also want you to know we're keeping the cenotaph's vital history top of mind. Guido, an original contractor from the cenotaph's construction in 1940, will oversee this restoration project. And we're working with the marble quarry in Georgia that sourced the original stone so we can find matching marble for any minor repairs that are needed. Once the structural repairs are complete, we plan to add lush greenery and some lighting around the cenotaph to underscore how sacred the monument is for honoring the Alamo defenders and our history. If you'd like to follow along as the work on the Alamo Cenotaph continues, please follow us on any of our Alamo social media channels, or you can actually tune in to our 24/7 live cam focused on the cenotaph itself as we work to preserve in place and inspire future generations to remember the Alamo.